kahalagahan sa paaralan. Filipino o English? Magandang umaga po. Ang pagbati sa okasyong ito ay sadyang natatanging. Isang balagtasang kakaibang uri dito sa Saltmansville ngayon mangyayari. It will be the first time in the history two people will debate with rhymes and poetry.
Patricia Meran. Ay, Patricia Meran.
And the main objective for each of us is to see the power of language and its hidden beauty. Kaya naman ang paksa na pag-uusapan ngayon ay matagal na rin pinagtatanungan. Aling wika ba ang dapat pahalagaan? Ang wikang hiram o ang kinagisnan? I'm Patricia K. Miranda, designated as judge. I'm tasked to supervise and later to decide. And I wish not to prolong your agony. Listen and contemplate, debate through poetry.
Jovelyn Silagan Kalayo mo ang aking pangalan. Talutang ng tulpo ng wikang kinagisnan. Sa babae, ako'y walang aalisan. Inaaw ang sinumang sa aking dalaman.
I'm a Suzanne Adams, a French. My crusade is to prove that English is the best. No one could stop me nor intimidate me. I am always ready.
Hayaan niyong ako na ang sumaon. Ang tanong ko sa iyo'y, Pilipino ka ba? Sayang, sayang, sayang ang tulad mong matalisan. Subalit sa malas ay utang pa niya.
By heart and by thoughts, I am a Filipino.
Talaga.
And I love this country just like the way you do. But nationalism is not language alone. We should be thankful for our life to go on. As we enter the stage of globalization, English will be our tool for communication. We need not study our own native language. Schools should choose English to search for knowledge.
Isang naibaman ang iyong tinunan. Isang iba natin. Kung lahat ng Pinoy ang utang ay gano'n, mas lalong kawawa itong ating bayan. Ang hindi magmahal sa kanyang salita. Dapat may isa sa kanyang pagtina. Kung Pilipino ka sa isip at gawa, patunayan mo rin maging salita.
Your idea is good, but it may not be sound. And to tell you frankly, I find it so absurd. As for the elders of one, they do not understand Wikang Filipino. We can't rely on the Filipino language. We can't rely on the Filipino language. Confusing dialect is our disadvantage. For practically and to achieve unity, English language should be our first priority. Narinig ko naman ang huling tinuray. But ibig sabihin, laging panig. Thus, we should be Thus, we should learn more of our language and more of English, and perhaps in the end, our country will prosper. Through unity and hard work, our life will be better. At sa umagang ito ay napatunayan na ang wika'y sadyang mahalaga. At hinihiling po namin tatlo na kami po ay magpalakpakan.
Sayang na po, tol.
Maraming salamat, White Team. Sabi nga nila,
Asan si Heart? Oh. Wala si EJ. Oh, wala. Kung mag-isa lang,